Good afternoon, everyone. I am Dilip Mishra from Kanpur. This year I have secured rank 56. So, thank you, Khan sir, for inviting me and giving a platform to so that I can share my strategy for this exam, and also I can improve my public speaking skills, as I sir mentioned. So, uh, I have given first serious thought regarding this examination in 2014 when I cleared the Indian Engineering Services exam. Then I thought that yes, I must go one step ahead. And clearing that exam gave me some confidence regarding choosing optional of engineering subject. Then I started started preparing for this exam. Then in 2015, I took the first attempt. And in that examination, I cleared the prelims but could not qualify for the mains. So first thing I would like to share what was the mistake in this. This was in 2018. This was my fourth attempt, and in 2016 I qualified this examination with 460 rank. So what mistakes I have done in in these attempts and how I have improved, I would like to share. So first, I would like to talk about some psychological setup regarding this examination. That is कि सबसे पहली बात है कि patience रखना है आप लोगों को इस exam के लिए. Like I started this from 2014 और patience रखना है मतलब ये डटे रहना है. सबसे बड़ी बात ये नहीं कि एक बार prelims नहीं निकला तो फिर मतलब confidence lose हो गया. So psychologically one has to be strong. Hard work. Second thing, बहुत सारे लोग बोलेंगे मोस्ट ऑफ मैनी पीपल से कि 6 आवर्स से निकल जाता है एग्जाम दैट ऑल दैट बट आई थिंक डबल डिजिट आवर्स गिविंग आवर्स इज रिक्वायर्ड फॉर दिस एग्जामिनेशन सीरियस एटलीस्ट ड्यूरिंग द प्रीलिम्स टू मेंस preparation double digit hours are required. This is my personal experience. Third thing is that self confidence regarding this examination. Many times it happens that when you don't believe in yourself कि whether I will be able to do it or not. After one or two failures, things become more worse कि whether I will be able to do it or not. So you have to be self-confident. अपने आप पे भरोसा रखना है. Yes, after over the period of time, things will become good. पढ़ोगे तो मतलब हो ही जाएगा 1, 2, 3, 4. And this is the examination कि अगर 32 मतलब 32 कभी भी ये एग्जाम निकलता है. So any day better than the other things. So have self-confidence and patience. Now talking about the prelims. Pattern of the prelims is changing very drastically. Like if I talk about in 2015, cutoff was 106 or 7 something. In 2016, it changed to 115, near 116 something. Then it came down to 106 something. Then this year 98. So and types of questions are also changing. So I would like to give some inputs which had helped me. Like in first attempt, I scored 106 marks in the prelims. 111. Then in next year, I improved to 140. Then similar 130s, and this year also I scored nearly 124 marks in the prelims. So first thing is regarding the maximizing score in the prelims is that, in my opinion, maximizing score is more or less synonymous with the maximizing the number of questions. Although over the period of practice, you have to get some accuracy, but the trend has been that more the questions you will attempt over this preparation, chances of scoring the marks will be more. Like in 2015, I attempted 72 questions and I corrected nearly 60 questions. So score was that kind of. Then next year, I attempted 80 questions and 75, nearly I corrected more than 70 questions. Same thing this time also. This time paper was very difficult and subjective in nature. Like when I opened the question paper, oh, I have not read this also. No, I mean, in next starting few questions, I was not getting the question of my choice, which I expected. Then I thought, I have to take risk. I attempted nearly 90 questions and 72, more than 70 were correct. So this has been, I have seen that maximizing the number of questions helps in the maximizing the score. But yes, through the practice test series, you have to get some kind of accuracy. Accuracy should be good. Second thing is that keeping in mind the recent trends of the prelims examination, elimination technique is going to be play a very important role. So please focus while practicing, focus on the elimination technique. This is going to be very helpful in the prelims. Like if you don't know the two options will be get eliminated by if you have done some study, and if you have to make choice between the two, then apply some logic, connect it with the some study or logic. So do it in that way. So elimination technique is going to help in maximizing the score. So this is one important aspect from my profession. Then yes, practice as many questions as possible for the prelims, as many as questions, and then go back to the books. Like this question has been asked from the suppose non-cooperation movement, then go back to the book, what is the NCM and how this question. So this also helps in revision. So these are the few strategies for the prelims, apart from the other my fellow colleagues has mentioned. Then regarding the mains, in 2015 in my first attempt, I scored 54 marks in the GS paper 2. 54 marks. It was very poor marks. So I thought there is something very bad regarding this preparation. So I changed something, and in next attempt, I scored 124 marks in the GS paper 2. And it was the highest in 2016, GS paper 2. So what has helped in this 54 to 124, that is I went through the each and every word of the syllabus. Like whatever is the written in the syllabus, I noted it down the A4 sheet and made notes on each and every topic in the systematic way, that what I can write in the introduction, 2, 3, 4, 5 points regarding this introduction, like some data, some definition, index, committee, commission. So I prepared systematically each and every topic of the syllabus, and this really helped in getting good score, 124. This has applied, I have applied in all the papers, and it has resulted in a very good manner. And I have, after 2015, I have scored more than 430 marks in each examination in GS, all 4 papers. So going through the syllabus and making notes of each and every topic mentioned in the syllabus is going to give a very good result. So this is one strategy for the mains. Then yes, again, for the interview, after I got selected in 2016, then in 2017, I could not qualify this examination. I got 124 marks in the interview, 124, pathetic. This year I have secured 176 marks in the same board. Last year also Smita Nagraj ma'am board was there, and this year also. There was some improvements I have made, thank you to Khan sir. कुछ positive चीजें बताई, like earlier I have been completed my studies in the Hindi medium. So when I used to went for some mock interviews, so many of the coaching used to give remarks that your English is not good and you have to improve. I came here, I directly asked to Khan sir कि sir क्या English में कुछ problem है, whether I can manage it in the interview or not. Sir told me that your English is fine, you can manage it and it is above average. So that gave me confidence. Sir has told me that yes, you start from like whatever you have to speak in the end, you start your answer in the interview with that you start with that. So he told me how to answer. Then one thing which I think missing in previous interview and this interview was that I was not giving the ground level examples, example connected to the real life. This time I inculcated in that my preparation, and which has resulted into good fashion. Like I would like to share one example. Chairman asked that why in India investment is poor, investment is not being attracted. So apart from the mentioning ease of doing business and other things, taxation policies, I mentioned law and order issues. कि law and order issues भी एक problem है, and I give an example of the Uttar Pradesh कि मैम नोएडा investment in UP is restricted to Noida only and in NCR because law and order is good here. But other issues, investment को protection नहीं मिल पा रही है, law and order के issues है, तो I mentioned, मतलब I connected to my home state and some real life example. So these things can be worked upon. So thank you so much all of you, and best wishes for this attempt and all your future endeavors. Thank you so much KSG. Thank you friends. Thank you.